Okay, this is my handy dandy little, what am I going to call this? Since this was already a hollow nose, I guess I'm just going to have to call this like a port job. Made it a little bigger, hoping the spread would be a little greater than what I've seen out of these 22s. And it worked pretty good. The spread is the best spread I've ever seen on a 22. And I just shot this into a phone book. As you can see, it's got some print on it. But it's pretty sharp. Wouldn't want this ripping through me, that's for sure. So, yeah, that's about it.